So hi guys, a very good morning everyone, and currently I am in the jungles of Georgia. So यहाँ से इस location से, if you remember, my name is Khan. Some of it was shot in Wilhelmia, some sort of village. तो यहाँ से मुझे वो वाली vibes आ रही हैं in the jungle. And currently I'm trapped from the last like 5-6 days. तो बहुत बोर हो गया हूँ घर रह के. I'm waiting for the news कि कब announce करें. It's all over and you can hang out with your friends. But anyways, in this video I'll be sharing how much money I have spent to reach 100,000 subscribers or even 240,000 subscribers, and how much money I spent before 100k and after 100k. So without any further ado, let's get started. Money कुछ ऐसे शुरू होती है. When I wanted to start my YouTube channel, it was mainly related to like computer science या reaction videos. I just had my one phone, that was OnePlus 5 phone. But the problem with this phone was that the headphone jack or the audio jack of this phone stopped working. So the only option was like कि मैं कोई और setup use करूँ. I can use my computer to put in the audio and then sync it up, but the audio quality of this was decent, so I used to vlog either with the front camera or the back camera, and that's how it started in the earlier days till 1000 subscribers. Later on I thought of making an investment for computer science videos and reaction videos, so I bought this Logitech C920 webcam. So this costed me like $50, and iske baad I also bought another microphone that was also around $30 to $40. That was Yeti Blue Ice microphone, which I don't have it right now, but that was an investment in the earlier
So
stages.
this is the official grade comparison between United States and India. I mean,
Who's representing the United States?
you obviously.
I wonder.
But then somehow, like after using these three setup, microphone, this webcam and this phone, I crossed 5,000 subscribers in early 2018, and that was a great moment and I was very happy about it. And one more important thing that happened in 2018 was Apple released its revolutionary iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, and they had one of the best cameras I have ever seen in a smartphone. And even Marques Brownlee tells that they have the best video camera in a smartphone, and still this is true right now for iPhone 11 as well. So that day I just like watched his video because I've been following him from the last 4 years. So मैंने just comment करना था. He said just comment the color of iPhone XR you need and I will ship it to you after 1 week. And I said, why not? It's so easy. Why not? I just commented. So I commented on his video, and later on Monday, I wasn't excited for it. I had even forgotten that I commented on his video. I just saw an email. Hey, I've won an iPhone. I thought it must be scam or something, but later on I checked Twitter of Marques Brownlee and it was legitimate because he like posted my comment. Singin USA commented he needs red color, and that just made my day and I was so excited. And within like 7 to 8 days I got my free iPhone XR. So that's how my real YouTube career started. I was able to connect a microphone with my iPhone, and the microphone that I bought was, so this is the microphone that I bought. This was Boya microphone, was for $20, and with the help of that I was even able to do some vlogging. I used to like put it on my shirt and hide it underneath, and then the wire hanging दिखती थी, the wire was visible hanging around, but it was okay because I didn't want to spend a lot of money. So using this video I also filmed a day in life of an international student. तो मैं ऐसे करके using front camera, sometimes back camera, I used to have this wire hanging around and I used to film, and that video crossed like 150,000 views by now, and that was my favorite video back then too. So मैंने सोचा कि I should make more a day in life videos, and that's how the real Sing in USA started. So this is the iPhone XR, which was gifted to me by Marques Brownlee, but I have gifted to someone special, so I just borrowed it. And the problem with this lens was that it wasn't wide enough. So जब आप vlogging कर रहे हो like this, it was just covering just my face. So उसके कारण I had to purchase the lens. So मैंने start किया था अपना career with Zenvo lens, but then moving on like after 2 or 3 months, मुझे लगा कि I should upgrade to this lens because it is very easy to attach. So that's why in this journey I bought this movement lens, which is a wide angle lens, and the quality in low light conditions with this lens is much better than the wide angle lens of the iPhone 11. And along with that, the other 2 lenses I purchased were fisheye lens and also the zoom lens, because this iPhone doesn't have the zoom lens. So uske baad I bought another microphone, that was Movo microphone, because that was a vlogging microphone. So as it was a directional microphone, it used to accept audio only from the front side and ignore it from the back side. So that's how I filmed at Harvard. And also I made a day in life at NCR, a day in life of software engineer. So after that point I actually crossed 100,000 subscribers. So at this point, when I crossed 100,000 subscribers, I had spent total of around $150 or even less than that. So from now, to improve the audio quality, I bought Rode Video Mic Pro Plus, which costed me $300, and also this vlogging setup by Joby and Movo. Joby 3K tripod, which is $80, but मैंने like new लिया था, so it costed me $50. And also this Movo tripod mount, or you can say iPhone mount, mobile mount, whatever you want to call it. This costed me around $25, and with the help of this, I can connect or attach my microphone to this setup and then vlog. So things became very easy from this point. And later on, I also bought this headphones so that I can edit my videos on the plane in a better way. So these are Sony's wireless microphone, which are allowing me to edit seamlessly in airplane. क्योंकि जब भी मैं plane में बैठता हूँ, the noise is way too much, तो मैं edit नहीं कर पा रहा था और मेरे कानों में दर्द होता था because like I had to increase the volume by a lot. So that's why these helped me a lot. So ये तो हुआ iPhone setup. So other than the iPhone, I have bought 2 more cameras. Number one is Dji Maverick Mini. So मैं एक बार तोड़ भी चुका हूँ actually because I paid $40 extra to get insurance. तो ये मुझे पड़ा था $500 का for the Fly More combo, because I think with this Maverick Mini, 2 more batteries were important क्योंकि मतलब it gives you like 20 to 25 minutes of flight time. So इससे फ़ायदा ये होता है, you can like get the fast charger along with the combo and you can charge 3 batteries at once. So it is very convenient. And other than this drone, I had bought, first of all, I bought the number one 360 camera, that was Insta360 1X. I really enjoyed using it. मैंने Harvard and MIT में वो use किया था. But after that point, I sold that 360 camera और मुझे ये पड़ा around $500 का, और वो मैंने ख़रीदा था $470 का. वो मैंने बेचा अराउंड $330 का, मुझे अराउंड $150 का लॉस हुआ था. एंड देन आई बॉट दिस. मुझे ये ज़्यादा पसंद आया बिकॉज एडिटिंग ऑन GoPro Max इज़ मच ईजियर एज़ कम्पेयर टू ऑन Insta360 1S. मतलब वो भी ईजी था, बट आई रियली एन्जॉय दिस मोर बिकॉज एडिट करने में थोड़ा ज़्यादा सीमलेस एक्सपीरियंस हुआ ऑन iPhone. सो नाउ मूविंग ऑन विद द वीडियो एडिटिंग पार्ट. सो यू माइट थिंक एज आई हैव MacBook Pro, I might be using Final Cut Pro for most of my videos, but that's not true because Final Cut Pro has one glitch that I'll share later on this video. So that's why I have used Filmora for more than 100 of my videos, and I bought it for $50 in the beginning, and I was using trial version first, and then I paid $50, and it was just an amazing experience. And if you have been following me from a while, you must have also seen me editing using Filmora in the beginning of my career. So that's why I am very happy to announce that Filmora Go is the sponsor of this video, and using Filmora Go you can edit seamlessly. And honestly, iPhone has better video editing experience as compared to Android because iPhone's graphics are much better, so they export it very quickly as compared to Android smartphones. So I've been using my iPhone to edit videos. So using Filmora Go, I can easily cut, crop, add effects. I can even add music. It has a great music collection of no copyright music, so you can import directly from there, or you can just add your own music. You can do whatever you want to. That is possible on Final Cut Pro, or any video editing software is technically possible on Filmora Go on mobile version, and also the Wondershare Filmora on Macs, PC, etc. So it's just amazing experience. So definitely check it out in the link in the description below. So now talking about Final Cut Pro, I used Final Cut Pro for like other remaining videos, like other than the 100 videos. But the problem with Final Cut Pro is that whatever video I import from my iPhone, the .mov format, there's like one glitch that comes up somehow in the video. कभी भी आ जाता है मतलब glitch. So the solution to that is that I have to use optimized playback when I'm importing the video so that I don't get the glitch. But the con is that it takes forever to export that video because transcode करने में when I'm like optimizing the media, it fills up the storage so fast. So technically 1 minute of the video is around like 10 GB in optimized format, so it fills up my storage very fast and it takes super long to export when I'm optimizing the footage imported from iPhones. So that's why I prefer to use Filmora Go sometimes whenever I'm in plane or maybe in class. Whenever I'm multitasking, Filmora Go solves the purpose and storage problem bhi nahi aati, and the size of the video exported is much smaller as compared to the file exported using Final Cut Pro. So that's why it solves the purpose, and I really enjoy editing on both Final Cut Pro and Filmora Go, and also sometimes Filmora on my laptop. So this is how my iPhone 11 vlogging setup looks like, but the conclusion is you don't need to spend $500 on this setup because मैंने काफ़ी videos बनाई हैं just with iPhone 11, like holding it like this, or with iPhone 10R, because the audio quality of iPhone is just amazing. So all you need is good content to get yourself started on YouTube. So that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.